Hello everyone, welcome back to Lab for Crypto. Today we are uncovering the most straightforward strategy for choosing altcoins that have the potential to excel in the next bull run. Bitcoin is considered the least risky asset in the world of crypto, but a simple ratio can unlock the secret to choosing high performing altcoins. By identifying which altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in conditions like a bear market, the probability of these coins generating huge returns in a bull run increases dramatically. I prepared a couple of slides that will help you understand this ratio using the Bitcoin and Solana pairs as an example. Then I will show you how you can use this ratio in our platform and make informed decisions on your portfolio optimization. Let's go to the slides first and then to the platform. We are used to comparing the performance of an asset by comparing it to its USD valuation. And that is half of the story. The other half is to compare it with the performance of another asset, and that it will showcase which asset is outperforming what. For example, let's compare Bitcoin and Solana. On the 28th of June 2023, one Bitcoin was worth approximately 30,000 USA dollars, and one Solana was worth 16. By dividing the price of one Bitcoin by the price of one Solana, we can see that one Bitcoin could have gotten us 1,810 Solana. Roughly 6 months later, on the 20th of December 2023, we can see that both Bitcoin and Solana increased their USD valuation, as Bitcoin from 30,000 USA dollars in June 2023, now it's worth 43.6K. And also Solana from $16 in June 2023, now it's 82.10. By taking the ratio of these two assets again, it's clear which asset outperforms the other. In December 2023, if I wanted to exchange one Bitcoin for Solana, I would have gotten 531 Solana only, compared to the 1,810 I would get in June 2023. This simple and powerful way just told us that although Bitcoin and Solana prices in USA dollars have increased in the last 6 months, one will experience higher returns by acquiring Solana. To visualize that, let's see the following graph. On the x-axis, we have the ratio of the Bitcoin and Solana pair, and on the x-axis, we have the date. The red line shows a downward direction of the Bitcoin and Solana ratio, indicating that Solana has outperformed Bitcoin in the last 6 months. Suppose the graph's direction was upward, like in this scenario here, that was going to tell us that Bitcoin was a better choice than Solana. However, as shown above, in the last 6 months, that was not the case. This is a straightforward way to choose your altcoins wisely. In the platform, we have these ratios available for you, and the next time someone tells you to allocate capital to an altcoin, first check these ratios and see if it's worth taking that risk by comparing its valuation to Bitcoin. Let's see some examples in the platform. Using the two drop-down menus in the platform, you can compare any assets of your liking. Let's take Bitcoin and Ethereum as an example. We can see that Bitcoin is continually outperform Ethereum from September 2022, and therefore, if you decide to allocate on ETH over Bitcoin in the last 14 months, That was an unnecessary risk with a lower return. If we compare Bitcoin and Cardano now and zoom in the last couple of months, we can see that from the 25th of October 2023, Cardano started to show some strength against Bitcoin. And if you decided that ADA was a coin you wanted to allocate some capital, at least that was a risk that seems to be more calculated. Before, we saw that Solana was a coin that outperformed Bitcoin. So it will be a good example to compare Solana with Cardano. If we zoom to the last couple of months, we can see that Solana from the 1st of January 2023 continually outperformed Cardano. And therefore, from the two pairs, seems that Solana is a better choice. These three examples summarize the power of this easy method of choosing which altcoins are better for you if you decide to acquire one. Do not forget to like the video if you found it helpful and leave us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, bye bye.